Yo, what's up everyone? We just hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube and I couldn't be more thankful for that. Seriously, this community has been amazing and I wanted to take a moment and celebrate this milestone with all of you. You guys got me today sitting on the C10. I'm about to hook it up on the charger, clean it up a little bit before we get it ready for some travel and take it to its next show. But you guys get the real me today, pajamas and all. When I started this channel, it was about sharing my world, everything from custom trucks and cars, all the shows that I go to, my own personal vehicles, and just the behind the scenes grind of running an apparel brand, my apparel brand Rollin Reckless, showing you guys all my side hustles like dog boarding, dog walking, the pet waste removal, junk waste removal, social media income, e-commerce shops, everything that I'm doing, as well as investing and chasing financial freedom. You guys know I love finance and I'm going for it. And back in February, we joined the YouTube Partner Program. Ever since then, this channel has been growing faster than I thought it was going to. It has grown pretty quickly over the year, and that's all because of you guys. I just wanted to say thank you. I will be real with you guys, though. I'm still trying to figure out my niche for this channel. I like so many different things, it's hard to like narrow down on one thing. Some of you guys like truck content and car content. Some of you guys are here for the financial freedom journey. Some of you guys just vibe with like the day in the life of and my side hustle videos because maybe it helps you guys get some ideas or figure out ways to make extra money in your own life. But my goal is to just keep testing and learning what connects best with all of you. Because this channel isn't just about me, it's about building something that we can all relate to. I'm an average person, I make average income, I side hustle like crazy to be able to afford $200,000 trucks and invest and do all these things, and so you guys can all do that too. And I'm just trying to be real with you guys. The future of this channel is going to be crazy. So my C10 build that I'm sitting on right now, it's been in the works for 4 years, 4 long years, but we're finally getting close to it being finished. It's actually heading back to the shop in 2 weeks, where it'll stay until it's completed in April of 2026. So after All Truck Nationals in October, it heads back to the shop just to finish some minor little things on it, get it running right. But you guys know, especially a frame-off truck like this, they take a lot of time and a lot of money. But that means in the future, more truck content for you guys, more cruising videos, more shows, more behind the scenes of what it's really like living the lifestyle that I live or that I choose to live. Plus, you guys know we're going to be bringing supercars onto this channel very, very soon. Probably not in 2026, but 2027, which that's going to take things to a whole new level, but we've got to work to get there. And you guys know that I'm posting videos on how I'm investing to be able to meet that journey, but we're going to do it. And I mean, if I can build a $200,000 truck, I can definitely save for a supercar. So I promise you guys a supercar is coming to this channel. I just need to be financially smart about how I do it. But none of this would be possible without you guys. Every like, every comment, every subscriber, it means the world to me. You guys have been riding with me through this whole year, and hitting 25,000 subs is honestly just the beginning. We're going for 100,000. We're gonna go further than that, but trying to build something special here, something that you guys can relate to, something that you guys can enjoy, something that's just more than just showing the cool cars and trucks. It shows how you get them, how you afford them, how you work for them, how you can take care of your families, everything. So if you're rocking with me, I just want to say thank you. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Please, please, please. It really does support the channel. Join my journey. It's only going to go up from here. 25,000 subscribers is just a start. I mean, we're talking trucks, cars, supercars, side hustles, financial freedom, everything in between, going and setting up as vendors at events, traveling all over the country. And let's just go hit that next milestone together. Goals for 2026, I'm going to say 50,000 subscribers. We're going to keep it realistic. But much love to all of you. 25K down. The road to 50K officially starts today. Let's go.